Hi guys, so I'm back with another recipe. Today we are going to make a very simple salad called Russian tomato salad. These are very few and basic ingredients, so probably you have this already at home. So to start off, we have our sour cream here, or you could use plain Greek yogurt. We also have some onions that we're gonna slice thinly. We have some tomatoes, and then salt and pepper to taste. There you go guys. So let's start making our Russian tomato salad. So guys, we're gonna start by slicing or dicing our tomatoes. You could slice your tomatoes lengthwise like this, or you could dice it like so. It's totally up to you. Pero ako, I'm just gonna slice this. It's up to you kung ilan ang gagamitin nyo. I think I'm gonna use about 4 to 5 Roma tomatoes. I'm also gonna include the seeds as well. So I'm just gonna continue slicing our tomatoes, and then I'll get back to you as soon as it's done. Next, I'm gonna slice our onions very thinly as well. Siguro dito sa laking ito, I'm just gonna use about 1/4 or 1/2, depende, okay? It depends. So our next is our onions. So you could use red onions or this white onion. I'm just gonna use half of it. So you could use this Russian tomato salad if you have some lamb, grilled lamb, or roast beef, or if you have some barbecue. This will be a nice side dish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice this very thinly. Tapos ilalagay ko siya dito sa ating colander. And then, since alam natin there's a bitter taste to this raw onion, we'll rinse it with water para mawala yung bitter taste niya. Pero if you're okay naman with the taste of onion na raw, it's okay not to do it. Pero, it's totally up to you guys. Okay. So this is how it looks like, guys. I'm just gonna wash it in water. Okay guys, so the next step after draining our onions is just putting everything together. So these are the sliced tomatoes that we have. And then we're just gonna add our sliced onions. We are gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sour cream, or if you have your plain Greek yogurt, that'd be good as well. So for now, I'm just gonna add 2. I'm also gonna add some pepper. And then some salt. Mix them together. This looks really good, guys. This is better if you just let it rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour before serving it. So, siguro lagyan pa natin ng 1 pang tablespoon ng sour cream. So, just taste for seasoning if it needed more salt or more pepper. So there you go, guys. You saw how simple and easy it was to prepare our Russian tomato salad, and probably you have all the ingredients on hand. So next time on your next dinner party, don't forget to prepare this and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.